Hi, I'm Dave. In today's fast-paced world, recognizing and eliminating toxic habits is crucial for unleashing your best self. These habits can hold you back, draining your energy and stifling your potential. By identifying what no longer serves you, you open the door to personal growth and self-improvement. Imagine waking up each day feeling empowered, motivated, and ready to tackle challenges head-on. This journey isn't just about removing negativity, it's about making space for positivity and growth. Let us now explore the practical strategies to break free from these habits and embrace a more fulfilling, vibrant life. Your best self is waiting. Understanding toxic habits. Toxic habits are behaviors that negatively impact our mental and emotional well-being, often leading to stress, anxiety, and diminished self-esteem. These habits can manifest in various forms, such as procrastination, negative self-talk, or excessive comparison to others. Each of these patterns chips away at our confidence and motivation, making it harder to pursue our goals. By recognizing these toxic habits, we can begin to understand their psychological effects and how they shape our daily lives. Take a moment to reflect on your own habits. Are there patterns that hold you back? Identifying these can be the first step toward meaningful change. Identifying your toxic habits. Recognizing your own toxic habits is the first step toward transformation. Start by engaging in self-assessment. Take time to reflect on your daily routines and emotional responses. Journaling can be a powerful tool. Write down your thoughts and feelings to uncover patterns that may be holding you back. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, can also help you become more aware of your habits and triggers. Additionally, don't hesitate to seek feedback from trusted friends or family members. They may offer insights you hadn't considered. By actively exploring these areas, you can identify and address the habits that no longer serve you. The impact of toxic habits. Maintaining toxic habits can significantly hinder both personal and professional growth. For instance, procrastination may lead to missed deadlines, causing stress and anxiety that affect your mental health. Similarly, negative self-talk can erode your confidence, making it difficult to pursue new opportunities or build meaningful relationships. These habits not only impact your self-esteem, but can also strain connections with friends and family, as they may feel frustrated by your behavior. Imagine constantly comparing yourself to others. This can create feelings of inadequacy and isolation. Recognizing these consequences is essential for motivating change and fostering a healthier, more fulfilling life. Strategies to eliminate toxic habits. Eliminating toxic habits requires a proactive approach, and there are several effective strategies to help you succeed. One technique is habit stacking, where you pair a new positive habit with an existing one, making it easier to integrate into your routine. Consider finding an accountability partner who can support you and keep you motivated on your journey. Additionally, using positive affirmations and visualization can reinforce your commitment to change, helping you envision your best self. Finally, create a personalized action plan that outlines specific steps you'll take to replace toxic habits with healthier alternatives. This structured approach can lead to lasting transformation. Building healthy habits. Replacing toxic habits with healthy alternatives is a transformative journey that requires consistency and patience. It's essential to understand that building new habits takes time, so be gentle with yourself during this process. Consider adopting healthy habits like regular exercise, which boosts your mood and energy levels, or reading daily to expand your knowledge and creativity. As you make these changes, remember to celebrate small victories along the way, whether it's completing a workout or finishing a book. Acknowledging these achievements reinforces your commitment and motivates you to continue on your path toward a healthier, more fulfilling life. Maintaining progress. Sustaining progress after eliminating toxic habits is crucial for long-term success. Regular self-reflection allows you to assess your journey, identify any areas needing adjustment, and celebrate your growth. It's also beneficial to stay connected with supportive communities, whether online or in person, as they can provide encouragement and accountability. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can inspire you to stay committed to your new lifestyle. Additionally, setting new goals keeps your motivation high and gives you something to strive for. Whether it's learning a new skill or improving your fitness, these goals will help you maintain momentum and continue your personal development journey.